With Okappy, you can easily design the look and feel of your invoices by creating an invoice template. To change the look of your invoices, go to your Invoices screen and click Invoice Options from the menu towards the top right of the Invoices screen. Select Invoice Template. You can add and edit text in your invoice header and footer. To add an image to your header or footer, click the Insert Edit Image icon in the toolbar. You can get the location by right-clicking on an image on your own website. You can use your profile image, or you could use an image uploaded to a job. Once you are happy with your template, click the Update Template button. All your invoices will now use the updated template.